Marnie Moore.
Let's sing again. I forgot to start the video camera. Seriously, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Margaret. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles.
No.
Time to blow out the candles.
Margie,
You gonna blow out the
blow
candle?
out the candles.
Blow out the candle.
Can't reach it.
She's not windy.
But don't put her any closer to him.
Couldn't blow them out if they were right in front of her.
Here, blow.
You know, I'm never inviting you all again to my mom's 90th birthday. All y'all do is blah, blah, blah.
You can do it.
I will invite you to the 900.
You got it.
Everybody off of her.
Hey, when you turn 90, you're not be the only ones around.
Did she get it? Did she get them?
Said she wants all the roses.
Did you blow them out?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, she blew them
Am
up.
I talking out loud?
Yes.
No.